Hello everybody, 1st of June. I can't wait to share with you the clubs we've got for this month. Fabulous summertime feel to them all. And first up is this adorable die set. You have got a layering hippo with swinging legs and two different floaties that the hippo can go in. You've then got this really cute, very cool ice cream that also can have the swinging legs, or cone in this case. You can see there that you can't just help but feel very happy when you look at these cuties. They're going to make their recipient feel so happy and cheery when they get a card from this set. Next up is our Summer Vacay large die of the month. And this is going to be fantastic for building all those summer scenes, especially down by the beach. Or I can see you adapting it to making it poolside. So you can see we get the dies to make these gorgeous striped beach chairs, the lovely large umbrella. You've got the clouds, the sun, the little plot of sand, and also the waves to go around that. This die set is huge and it's going to be great. The glimmer set of the month is called Summertime Sentiments, and this is fabulous. There's not too many sentiments in the other kits, but this one has you covered with all the sentiments you might need. And the great thing about this is that you can foil all the sentiments and then die cut the sentiments all at once as well, making it very quick and easy to get those sentiments ready as soon as you need them. And you can see here just those sentiments and the font that they're in, very classic. Then we have our stitched ice cream die of the month, and this one is both sweet and very cool. Don't mind my pun. Okay, so this is going to make a lovely large ice cream, and you can see in the examples here, you can choose to stitch all of the set, stitch just the ice cream, stitch just the cone, and then you're going to have lots of lovely fun working out the colours to make your ice cream or your favourite flavours, and then you can stack your ice cream scoops on top of each other or have multiple ice creams side by side on a card. Our better press of the month is really elegant. It's called Summertime Palms, and this one you're going to also receive two sentiments to go with the beautiful palms press plate. Remember, when you're using your press plates, you can print them once and then go ahead and change your plate around to press them a second time in different colours or even in foil. So you can lay your better press stamps on top of each other to get a gorgeous effect. And don't forget, you can also choose to use just part of your better press image to make your card backgrounds. Next, we have the clear stamp and die of the month. This one is called Paradise Resort. And I think that wherever this resort is, they've got a great vibe and feel to their atmosphere. I love the images that have been included on these key tags. You've got the gorgeous whale tail, you've got the lighthouse, and that beautiful sunny beach scene all coming together. You can die cut those images and layer them on top of your little key ring and key, or you can simply stamp straight onto that key ring and have your image that way. Not to forget, this last example is very clever. It has actually cut out that inner portion of where you would see the image and turned it into a reveal wheel or a spinning image, which is very clever. The summertime theme continues with our stencil of the month called Summertime Graphics, and in here you're going to receive 5 different stencils. First 3 stencils are used to layer up and create that fabulous beach ball background. And then you get two separate stencils, one which will make a wave or ocean background, and the other produces a gorgeous cloudy background. Great, great idea. The first of our two embossing folders is our 2D Summertime Waves embossing folder. And this has a very hypnotizing, mesmerizing look to it. It has got all those lovely layers of waves, but I can see that this embossing folder would be great to use on a lot of different projects. It doesn't have to be a wave texture. It could be used for all different occasions. And I've got to say, I really do love this folder, and I think it's got a lot of versatility, and it really lends itself beautifully to the whole set of dies and clubs we have this month. Our 3D embossing folder is called Summertime Citrus Twist, and it definitely lives up to its name. Look at all the dimension and layers you have in that citrus fruit. Now, of course, they could be limes, they could be oranges, they could be lemons, they could even be grapefruits. Perfect for summer weather. And you can see all the different ways that have been shown to use it here, and I'm sure there's a whole lot more. I love the idea of cutting out some of those raised pieces of fruit and then making them a focal point on the card as well. And to go for our beach scenes and our lovely summertime vibe, we have got our wax seal of the month, and it is called Sun and Waves. And you can see there that gorgeous image we get. And you're going to love the wax beads this month. They are a mix of turquoise and gold and just the colours you can mix together. Or if you want, you can go ahead and pull out the individual colours and have one solid colour for your seal. You're going to love playing with this set, and it's perfect finish for a lot of our projects. If you sign up to the Deluxe Caboodle Kit, you're going to get everything you've seen in this video so far, and then an awesome bonus set of dies. Look at these little melons. They are adorable with their little glasses. And you also get that teeny tiny little slice of watermelon on a stick. So a popsicle of watermelon. Fabulous. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's reveals. I can't wait to get in and play with these some more, and I'm sure you're looking forward to it too. Until next time, is bye-bye for now.